So welcome back, guys. I'm trying out some new video capture software, so please let me know if you think this is better or worse than the other software I was using, as you guys as my end audience need to have the better quality. Alright, without any further ado, we're going to start off. So as I said before, we're going to start with a new technique on how to draw these. In the first three we did the cube, and then we cut out the bits we didn't want. So here we go. I'm going to show you a different one. So top left hand corner, go new, metric, standard millimeters part, create, nothing's changed, that's still the same. Again, go back to the top left hand corner, sketch, choosing the XY plane, still nothing's changed. And this is the first time we're going to do something a little bit differently. In this case, we're going to draw a profile and then use dimensions to set the sizes for my drawing. So instead of using a rectangle, I'm going to choose the line tool. Now with this technique, it doesn't matter what length your lines are, it's just that you get the shape basically right. So here we go. I'm going to always start in the middle, click, drag my line along for the bottom of it, click, I'm going to go up, click, going to come back, see how it locks down to 90 degrees, and I'm going to go up, make sure it's 90 degrees again, I'm going to go along 90 degrees, down 90 degrees, and I'm deliberately going to make it different, and you can see it doesn't look anything like my finished product, only that it's got the same sort of shape. So we're going to use the dimension tool this time. So go up to the dimension tool, so right click now, go OK, so it's done. Dimension tools up the top, big dimension, and I'm going to tell it where to start the dimension. I'm going to left click, and see how it highlights to white, left click, drag down and click, change my size. Now we know it's a 30 by 20 block, and if we look at our drawing, it'll tell us that it's 30 wide at the bottom. Enter. I'm going to do the same for this dimension here, so click and come out the side, and we know that it's going to be 10 millimeters tall. Enter. I'm going to go click and click, that's left click, click again, 10 millimeters over this side. Alright, I need to tell a total height, so this is from the top to the bottom. If I look at my drawing, it tells me it's 20 millimeters. Enter. Now things are starting to get off the screen. So to go back so I can see everything on the screen, I'm going to go up to my right hand corner here and click on the middle of front. That way I'm going to be able to see everything. And I can see I've got basically everything set. I've got to set a width. So I've got to set the width here of this, so dimension between this point and that point, and I look at it on the drawing, it says it's 10 millimeters. Enter. And finally I've got to set the distance between the end and the shoulder, click, and it tells me it's 10 millimeters as well. So I've finished the sketch. Where this technique's really handy is where you've got difficult sketches or problem shapes and you can't easily remove them, but you can draw the shape basically right and then use the sizing to get it right. So once you've got the shape right, and you'll notice all these have gone blue, so they're all constrained. That's a new word, constrained, which means held to, they won't move. Finish sketch, extrude, it automatically selects the shape, we know we want to go 50 millimeters long, and go OK. Go back to your viewing block and click on the corner. Just have a look at it. Yep, that looks about the right profile. It's not the right way around, so let's look at it from the other corner. That's the other corner. Now it looks exactly the same as it does in drawing number 4. So it looks the same as drawing 4. I'm happy with that. I'm now going to save it. Go File, Save As, Drawing 4. Save. Alright. Now this might have been a very long way to do this particular one, because you could have done it the same way as you did drawings 1, 2 and 3. Don't mind if you do. Just showing you a different way to do things. I'm going to show you the same technique for drawings 5 and 6. So until I see you in drawings 5, cheers, bye.